Okay, you can do it after that, Kiran. Yeah, not a problem. You have your dinner first. Once you're done, you switch it on, all right? Not Inchi, nice. Nice to see you there. Just waiting for two more students. Okay, students, can on your video. We'll get started shortly. All right, Alvin, can see you. Well done. Few more. Leon, Aiden. Yeah. Okay, students. Um. Okay. So we just give them two more minutes at most. Okay, I think sleep. Hey, students, very good evening to all of you. On your video, if you can, you need not be shy. Okay, today's topic, as you can see, is still with algebraic fractions. We did quadratic equations last week. For today's segment, you'll be doing what you're seeing on the screen, but I've also prepared a question on quadratic equation. That will be the second last segment before you guys jump onto the online games, all right? So uh, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, students, you just do for me A first. Let's see how you guys get moving. Good luck. So don't panic. Take your time, all right? Okay, one thing about these questions, you don't rush. If you rush, you will make mistakes. So slow down, double check before you exit, do another check, all right? So good luck, all of you. Okay, well done. Good start. Um, please, all of you try to participate. I know you guys are a bit shy, so share, show your answers on the chat box. Well done, Inchi. Good stuff. Good start. Yeah, and Wesley, Aiden, yeah, please participate. On your video, Kaden, come on. And the rest as well, and you. Come on, all of you, please. Okay. Okay, we're doing question 1A. We just started, so you can attempt this. It's not that difficult. Give it a shot. In no, Kiran, not quite, Kiran. Not there, not there. Uh, Inchi, not there. Oh, you're doing. Oh, sorry, you're doing B, is it? Yeah, okay. You hang in there. Tan. No. Okay. You guys are being a bit haywire. I'll do the first one here. You take out 4. You take out x. So you let x plus 4. Take out 5 because 20 is divisible by 5. 20 is a multiple of 5. X plus 4, right? So what can you do now? Just cancel out the common term. So your answer will be 4x over 5. All right, that is the answer. 4x over 5. So that's done. All right, first one is done. Clear? And for part B and C, remember, I keep telling you this is a very popular a square minus b square identity. Remember, so it becomes a plus b, a minus b. All right, this is very important, very common for tests. So yeah, so uh, yeah, you have to take out the common factors. Yeah, and that's what you need to do. Simplify the following. So yeah, so we need to identify. All right, if you look at such a question, Wesley, the only thing you can do is extract the common terms. So that's done. A is done. So look at B. B is based on this. So students, remember this. B. For those who have done it, well done. For those who are trying, please try. Okay, well done. Aulun, very good. Wesley, which one are you doing now? I mean B. No, me B is not right. So B is off. Remember, you have to use this identity, a square minus b square. So I'll show you the first part. So 4 is a perfect square number. So this will be 2 square, y square minus 1 over, you've got to factorize this. If you factorize, you will get, I'll do that later, 2y squared plus 9y minus 5. This gives you 2y plus 1, 2y minus 1. And then when you factorize this, you get 2y minus 1, y plus 5, all right? So you have to factorize this. And now you can strike off the common terms or similar terms. So you strike off this, you're left with 2y plus 1 over y plus 5. That is the answer, right? 2y plus 1 over y plus 5. Okay. B. This is based on so if you have gotten it right, good job. If you have not gotten, please take note. Uh, these are the kind of questions they'll be asking. So part C is, yeah, you got to use the same identity. It's a square minus b square. So if you look at 36, 36 is a perfect square number. Therefore, 36 becomes 6 square. All right, so I've given you a hint. You guys, there's a trick, yeah, a certain thing, a tweak, but that's for the later part. All right, so try that. So B is done. C is good. You must take note of C. C is a good question, and so is D. So now mine, try. You have time. Yeah, I'll take that. Well done. Wesley is not that bad. Looks good. Yeah, you can do that. You can put that. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Answer's correct. You got the top one right, Wesley. So quite amazing, yeah. Aulun, you just missed something. You got to do something, you missed them. Yeah. Just one, your answers are almost there. Just one step. You got to do something. So I've got answers from Wesley, Aulun. How about the rest? Come on, all of you must participate. If you factorize the top part, you should get x minus 6 x plus 1, right? This one you got to change into, it becomes 6 squared minus x squared. So equals to x minus 6 x plus 1, 6 plus x, 6 minus x. Okay? So this is what you have. Now, you want to make this, I'm going to highlight this. Look at this. What's the difference? Just the sign, right? For the numerator, it is